tired of typing long searches when you can just scan and get answers instantly? In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Lens like a pro. Whether you're a student, researcher, or just curious about the world around you, make sure to watch until the end, because I'll share you some professional, powerful, hidden features most people don't know. Thank you. Let's dive into the video. Let's jump into Google Lens. So we are going to straight away go to Google, and in the search box we are going to type in the word example, then click on enter. So you're seeing they are bringing us different results, but we'll go with the first result or the first option, which is example, free exam practice online. Remember, this offers different tailored tests, and those tailored tests are the ones we are going to use to see how our tool is effective. So now we are going to click on example. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment for those that have not yet done it. So we can continue. So having redirected us to example.com, now you can see we have different information there, but we are going to go straight and click on take your first test. When we click there, on our left hand side we have home, exam categories, which you can see. So we are going to choose any. They're showing us agriculture, animal husbandry, biology, catering, craft practice, and other subjects. So for us, we are going to select the first one, which is agriculture, but agriculture also has different tests basing on the previous years: 1995, 1997, 1999, and 2008 up to 2024. So we've selected 2024, and here we are. They are giving us the instructions, which I think you can all see. And now we are going to start our exam. You see, our exam is timed. Question 1 goes: agriculture could be made attractive to young people in West Africa through the option 1, A, fabrication of simple farm tools in a locality; B, provision of basic amenities in rural areas; C, cultivation of locally available seeds; D, provision of composite to farmers. Here I'm stuck, not knowing the exact answer. But remember, there is a tool called Google Lens, which I can use to simply get the exact answer. And how do I do it? Don't worry, it's what I'm here for, to show you how I can do it. So here I'll come here in my address bar, click there, they will now show me this information that ask Google about this page. So I'll click on it. When I left click on it, it is going to bring a plus sign, which I will come and use to draw across my question here. I'll make sure that I include all the question with its objectives. Then I will wait for my answer. You're seeing that it has been scanned. After there, they will bring me the correct answer. And our answer is B, provision of basic amenities in rural areas, with a provided explanation as to why it is the best answer. After there, I'm going to close here, and I come and I select B as my answer, and I move to another question, which states, which of the following agriculture programs was mainly established to provide agriculture extension services? Option A, Green Revolution. Option B, Operation Feed the Nation. Option C, River Basin Development Authority. Option D, Agriculture Development Project. So I'm going to repeat the same procedure. I'll come, then I click on my Google Lens. Remind me later. Then I scan the entire question. Then I wait for my answer. You're seeing that the same procedure is repeated for this case. Here our answer was D. So I'm going to close, and after I click on D. That's how Google Lens works. Thanks for watching. Now you know how powerful Google Lens can be for searching smarter and faster. If this video was of helpful to you, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and turn on notification for more simple tech tutorials. Once again, see you in the next video.